This is a guide on the GreenPower JH500, how to do the battery replacement. So what you want to do is you want to start with the back compartment where the seat is. You're going to put the key inside and lift your seat. You're going to see the compartment there. There's 4 screws that you need to unbolt. So we're going to be using a 10mm bolt head to remove that. So this is for the model JH500, but although I haven't checked yet, but I assume that it would be the same sort of concept for the GreenPower Fastest Mobility and some of the other brands that GreenPower do, Unique 500 included. We're taking off the secondary bolts at the bottom of the container. You can remove any little snails as you're working. So you'll find when you lift the container, there are some cables wrapped around there. It's the way they're organized. So you just need to pull the container out in a certain way. There's a bit of slack in those cables, so you can still work around without having to pull them out. So we've got 6, I believe,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 batteries on the inside.
Let's take the brace off.
Held in with a brace, which needs to be removed.
Hopefully it's a 10mm as well. Yeah.
With the same 10mm bit. Same again on the other side. To release that brace. Once the brace is removed, you'll find access to the batteries,
Phillips,
and their Phillips crosshead connector. So we need to get a Phillips screwdriver just to remove those. The advice would be to take a picture before you remove any of those bolts, just so you know exactly the same looping setup. As you can see, there's positives and negatives, and some of the negatives are leading onto a positive on another battery, and then the negative on the same battery is leading to a positive on the next battery, and it becomes a looping system, so they can all communicate together and go back into the actual mobility scooter. So take a picture beforehand and then remove the screws.